2016 VW Polo Vivo GT is powered by a 1.6 litre motor, and this car sends all its power to the front wheels via a 5-speed manual gearbox. And honestly, this is one of those Polos that you don't see too often on the roads. It has passed the roadworthy test, so it's supposed to have a platinum Dicker sticker. And one thing that blows my mind away is that this car only has 68,000 k's on the clock, and it's going for 144,000 rand. So currently this car is reserved. As you can see right there, it has the standard 16-inch wheels wrapped with Hankook tires all around. With the GTS you get gloss black mirrors, you get a gloss black roof, tinted windows, side skirts, GTS stickers, you get a boot spoiler with twin exhaust here at the back. So this is more like a Polo GTI from 2009. From this angle, this is one beautiful car. So let's see how this car looks from the inside. As you can see, the vehicle is locked. What you have, like I said, a 5-speed manual gearbox. You get GTI type seats. You have air conditioning, power steering, electric windows and electric mirrors. And this car has a full service history with a fuel consumption of 6.6 liters per 100 kilometers. So yeah, this is another car for today.